In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your BDO credit card. If you've just received your new BDO credit card, you'll want to activate it as soon as possible so you can start using it safely for purchases, online payments, and bookings. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process in a clear and simple way. And I'll also share some helpful reminders to keep your account secure while you're doing it. First, make sure you have your new BDO credit card with you. Check the front of the card to confirm your name is correct and that the card hasn't been physically damaged. On the back, you should see a signature panel. Don't sign it just yet if you still need to verify that everything is in order. But keep in mind that you will need to sign it after activation for security purposes. Next, look for the card activation instructions that usually come with the mailer or welcome kit. BDO commonly provides activation options either through phone, online banking, or mobile banking. The exact method may vary depending on the type of card and when it was issued, so always follow the official directions that come with your card. If your card includes a specific phone number for activation, use only that number and avoid searching random phone numbers online to prevent calling potential scam lines. If activation is done by phone, be ready to enter details like the last digits of your card, your date of birth, or other personal information. Make sure you're in a quiet, private place and never say your full PIN, one-time passwords, or online banking passwords to anyone, even if they claim to be from the bank. Automated phone systems will never ask you to verbally reveal your PIN. If your card can be activated through BDO online banking or the BDO mobile app, log in only through the official website or the official app. Once you're logged in, look for an option related to card services or credit card activation. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Double-check the card number you are activating and confirm the process when prompted. After activation, sign the back of your card using a pen and store it in a safe place. You can then try a small purchase or balance inquiry to make sure everything is working. Finally, remember to keep your card details private. Monitor your transactions regularly and contact BDO immediately if you notice anything unusual.